Let's shift focus and let's talk about leading overseas investors who are going to be meeting the Finance Ministry officials this evening itself. And FPIs are likely to raise the tax surcharge, restricted access to corporate bond markets, and of course, tighter KYC norms as well. Let's take it across to Ashna for more details on what's likely to come out of this meeting and who all are attending the meeting. Firstly, Ashna.
Yes, in line with the series of meetings that the Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has been holding with regard to all the sectors, and of course these meetings come in the wake of the economic slowdown that has been going on in India for quite some time now. Today the Finance Minister will be meeting the financial capital markets to address their concerns, and this meeting is scheduled to begin at around 3, wherein all the capital markets are expected to be a part. Apart from that, we're also picking up that there is a special time slotted for FPIs in this meeting, for the foreign portfolio investors. They have been given a special 1-hour slot of 4 to 5 p.m. wherein the Finance Minister will hear them out and address their concerns. And of course, this also comes on the back of the FPI surcharge which was imposed in the budget. Now there are reports that the Finance Ministry might withdraw the surcharge that was announced in the budget, and how they will withdraw it, that remains to be known as of now. There are 2 ways. Either the Finance Ministry can bring an ordinance to withdraw it, as the finance bill has already been passed, or it might just go ahead by issuing a clarification in that regard. Apart from that, if you remember, ET Now had exclusively reported yesterday that Finance Ministry is currently looking at a confidence booster package for the capital markets, which will also include a relook at LTCG. So we are also expecting that there might be some discussion with regards to that as well. So yes, these are the key things that we are looking. This is a very important meeting that Finance Ministry will be holding today.
Now we'll leave it at